Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Granbo. Today I will introduce the B series of our ultrasonic cleaners to you. This is the basic series, so the prices are the most reasonable, and this type is very easy to operate. You can see the control panel only has one knob for time control. You can set up 1 to 30 minutes as you like. Many of you may be concerned about the lack of heat, but actually it generates heat when the ultrasonic worked, so it doesn't matter. And all of our products are used rubber foot for contact the machine and lower down the noise while moving. Both sides has the handle for easy to remove, and under the handle is the outlets for heat dissipation. And now let's look at the back side. You can see that not only provide a plug port, we also add a safe switch. The double safety switch makes it more secure and safer. Also, our plug ports adopts industrial level standards, and the material are used heat and software resistant. Now let me show you the inner tank. The basket and the tank are all used SUS 304 stainless steel. Many of you may have the question that why we add the basket. Because when placing the item directly in the tank will cause them contact with the tank, which over time will damage the stainless steel and the transducer. So the basket is a good protection. By the way, our inner tank are all used open mode stamping and welding, and no welding. You can see there is no welding on the tank. So when you use it, it's very easy to clean itself. When you received our products, the maintenance also important. First, keep the machine clean and cut off the power when you don't use it. Second, keep away from the heat source and avoid to storing in a humid environment. At last, do dust and moisture protection. And that is all the tips about our B series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us anytime. Thank you.